Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to activate full screen on a game on PC. Full screen mode enhances gaming by eliminating distractions and making the experience more immersive. Below are the common methods to switch to full screen mode on Windows PC. 1. Use a keyboard shortcut. It is the fastest way to toggle full screen mode in many games using the Alt plus Enter keyboard shortcut. While in the game, press Alt plus Enter simultaneously. This works for most games but may not be compatible with all. 2. Changing game settings. Navigate to the Settings or Options menu within the game, look for a Display Video or Graphics section, then change the screen mode to full screen and apply the changes. And finally, adjust display settings in Windows. If the above methods don't work, you can configure display settings to Windows. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Ensure the resolution matches your monitor's native resolution, and check for any scaling options under Advanced Display Settings that might interfere with full screen mode. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.